Okay, I ordered one of those Tesseract cargo boxes from my Kawasaki KRX. It took about 3 weeks to get here. Ordered it from their website. Pretty easy process. There isn't really a button to buy it. You have to leave your information. They will contact you and send you an invoice on PayPal. Log into your PayPal, pay the invoice, and they will get back to you that they got the money, and then they will ship it out to you. So I just got it delivered. I thought it was going to be in a box, but it's in this plastic wrap. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. Okay, I got that black plastic off, and looks like it's got some inner cushion material on there. And okay, I'm gonna take some more off. Okay, there it is, out of the packing material they stuck it in. And it looks like it made it all right. No scratches or nothing on it. A little bit more right there. Let's open this thing up so it looks like inside. Try to do it with one hand. There you go. Too easy. Let's see. Whew. Okay. Open it all up with one hand, which wasn't too easy. But yeah, it looks like it's all there in one piece. I can't really put it on my Kawasaki to show you because I don't have it. It's at the a shop getting the cage built for it. But yeah, that's pretty nice. I guess that's not much damage I could do to something like this out of plastic. I'm going to go ahead and take it inside the house. Okay, I brought it in my house because it's just too hot in my garage. Whew. Out here in Phoenix area, 105, 110 in the garage is a bit much. But yeah, this is a pretty nice box. Let's see what it measured. This is going to be approximately 30 inches by, a little bit more, let's see. 30 by about 37. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Got a little scuff right there, but that doesn't matter. It's going to be on my Kawasaki, so it can get scratched anyway. But yeah, this is probably the best one I've seen for the Kawasaki KRX. It's really has a nice shape to it, and I'm not sure if someone said the other gentleman I saw who I first saw it on, he said you might be able to fit a roto pack here, fuel tank. So maybe.